So hello folks, I'm back with a new video. On the daily time frame, if we zoom out, here we can see that my anticipation is simple, guys. Price would come to this CISD, that is this breaker where price took out the middle overload, took out the liquidity sell side. I want this breaker plus FEG to be tapped in, so my daily time frame bias would be bearish. On 4-hour time frame, if we zoom in correctly, just a second, if we zoom in on the 4-hour chart, here we can see that this is our higher time frame DOL drawn liquidity, guys, this 1.06303. and if I zoom in correctly, here we can see that on the 4-hour time frame there is a fair value gap which got disrespected, but there is a bigger fair value gap in which price entered, and where would the price would move if it tapped into 4-hour. If it tapped into this IRL, it would definitely move to this in external liquidity, from this fair value gap to this sell side liquidity. So this is my higher time frame bias, guys. Also on the 2-hour it's the same, we can see that on the 2-hour also the same. Here we can see an additional confirmation is this gap getting disrespected, or IFVG. Here we can see that it formed a balanced price range, you can see that BPR it formed, guys. So, and also there was a liquidity sweep here, you can see that. What is this high? 1.08584, and this is 1.0609. Here we can see that this is a liquidity sweep, guys. So if we zoom out on the 4-hour, surprisingly we can see that here, if I put arrow mark in the 4-hour time frame, we can see that here we can see that price entered into the fair value gap. Here we can see that where is the demonstration. If here we can see that price entered into the fair value gap and now is moving lower, whereas here we can see that price made a lower low here plus additional SMT, whereas price made a higher high here by disrespecting this bearish fair value gap here, guys. There is a fair value gap here. Here we can see that, and price entered into the main fair value gap here, guys. So first of all daily time frame, we can see that price is moving to this breaker and then it will move higher. On the 4-hour time frame, we can see that here price went entered into this fair value gap from this IRL to this ERL, and additionally we can see that price disrespected this 4-hour fair value gap, whereas this fair value gap of 4-hour got respected here, showing a confirming an SMT here, guys. SMT confirms reversal where one makes a higher high, where EURUSD took out the buy side liquidity, whereas GBP respected the bearish fair value gap here. So my logic is simple, guys. If GBP makes a lower, that is respects this bearish fair value, where would price go? It will definitely move to the sell side liquidity from this IRL to this ERL here, guys. And the logic is simple, guys. And if price has swept the buy side liquidity and entered into this fair value gap, where would the price move? It would definitely move to sell side liquidity, guys. If price has swept this buy side liquidity, it would definitely move to sell side liquidity. So this is my trade anticipation, guys. And if I show you my position, I'm $30 in loss, but my take profit, you can see that this is sell side liquidity, and stop loss above this SMT we can go, guys. I entered late, so I did not keep my stop loss, guys. The only thing I have mastered as of now, by God's grace, I have mastered my trading setup, but the only thing I'm lacking now is perfect entry and where to keep my SL, guys. These are the only things I'm lacking. Here we can see that I'm $14-15 loss. Some traders who are very precise, enter at right time, put their stop loss very low and can get a huge reward. But I did not do it, guys. So the only thing I should master now is keeping my stop loss, guys. So thank you. I will meet you after this trade. Take profit has been hit. So thank you, guys.